with Ultimate Glow regimen, those who has aging concern, who has hyperpigmentation, dark spots, these are the products that we recommend. Okay, so we usually advise them to have a morning regimen and a night regimen. Okay, and we also suggest them to do some mask night every Monday and Thursday night. We schedule them every Monday and Thursday night so that we can all remember that this nights would be the mask night regimen. Okay, so that's the reason why we uniformly advise the members or the clients to do the mask night every Monday and Thursday night. Okay, so every morning they have to do the cleansing with the use of our cleansing milk, and follow up with the balancing toner, which is our toner. And sometimes we advise them to, if they have they have dry skin as well, they can actually apply directly on their skin the toner. Okay, and then follow up with the vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is a serum type of product, and follow up by the beauty oil. And then they're gonna have active moisturizer after that, and then Secret Pearl and sunscreen. So this is gonna be the morning regimen of those who have hyperpigmentation or melasma on their skin. And at night, they can actually have cleansing milk, toner, and beauty oil. We do actually have skin peeling cream, but it really depends because skin peeling cream is a prescription product. So we actually advise them to, get some clearance to medical practitioner. It's either in California, if you are in California, or if your clients are located in California, or we do have partners, a medical or a doctor partners with other states. Okay, so if they really need to have skin peeling cream. And right after that would be the Secret Pearl and the Secret Radiance as their night regimen. Okay, so every Monday and Thursday night, we usually advise them to do the Secret Glow and the Secret Gold. Those two products are the mask product that we have. They can actually layer those two products every night. And they also have some option if they wanted to, use Secret Glow for this week, and then the following week would be the Secret Gold. Okay, and then later on, I'm gonna discuss some of the ingredients and benefit of each product so that you're gonna have an idea. Okay, and then it's gonna be a case-to-case basis. It really depends on the skin concern of the clients, because hyperpigmentation, we have a lot of types of hyperpigmentations. So that the results of the products would be depends on the type of hyperpigmentations that they have, because there are hyperpigmentations or dark spots that it's really hard to give some results out of it, because it's that kind of hyperpigmentation is gonna be so deep on their skin. Unlike those who has sunspots or those who have age spots, it's much easier to get some results out of these products. Okay, so sometimes we actually explain to the clients the percentage of the results because of the situation of their skin or the type of hyperpigmentation on their skin.